Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make a pool on Signal using your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Signal app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, go into the group chat or conversation where you want to create the pool. At the bottom of the screen next to the message box, tap the plus button. This opens a small menu with different options. From that menu, tap pool. This opens a new screen where you can create the pool. At the top, tap where it says ask a question, type your questions, keep it clear and easy to understand. Now tap add options, type the first answer, choose like Friday, Saturday or Sunday. Tap add option again to add more choices. You can add many options you need. Below the option you may see extra settings like allowing multiple votes, randomize the order. They are optional, so leave them as they are if you are not sure. Once everything looks good, tap send. In the top right corner your pool will appear in the chat instantly. And that's it. We have just created a pool on Signal using our iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.